Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted border of the text box in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, open the Excel document, then show the open document. Excel document. Now create from the text box. Now going to the insert menu option and click for the text box option. Now click right from text box. This text box is from the background color. Now click for the format menu option. Now click for the shape fill option, then NSS color. Then dotted border at the text box. Now click for the shape outline option. Now click for the dashes option. Now click for the dot. Now okay, white dot option. That's okay. Then we show the dotted border of the text box in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.